Okay, this time purpose is to get it all nice and glossy. I've got a ball, I've got a sphere sitting on a plane, and at the moment we're in object mode and we want to go to rendered. So all a bit dull, and that is because a couple of things. Well, basically there are no materials attached to this, so I have my sphere highlighted. Go to material properties, do new, call this shock pink. Yeah, go to base color, pick up shocking pink. I go to roughness, we want all shiny, by default it's 0.5. Let's want to make it anything at all, 0.01. yeah, so there you got a incredibly shiny billiard ball type thing. Let's go to the plane that sits on, because it's shiny but there's no reflection. The ball's shiny, there's no reflection on the plane. Again, I want to color something like that, call it base color, because this is the one I'm likely to be changing to have a play. Roughness, so if I move that to 0, which is possible, and allowed, still got nothing there. Okay, let us go back to a render, and we're in EV. The magic button is this screen space reflections. Just for my own interest, this tends to evidently varies depending on this base color here. So if I go back to the plane, go to, so specular could be high, could it? Roughness is as low as you can go. So let's have a look at changing this base color a bit. So if I do that, there's a bit of a sweet spot, is there? Something I haven't brought out really at the moment though. If I'm going to get rid of the gizmo stuff. Okay, the thing I haven't brought out at the moment is light. So I've got a light, let's turn it to the sun. That's way too bright, strength is say 20. And let's locate the light, and let's drag it off over here maybe. Good reflection. I must make sure I'm in rendered, yes I am. And that, I think that's looking quite nice.